Hey loves, just realized that there was no intro, so this is me getting my locks retouched. They are temp locks at Home of Locks. The guy who does it is called Jose. Yeah, so it's on Nyayo Stadium around there. So yeah, this was Thursday after work, so it was a bit late. It was around 7. I think I left there around 7:38. Yeah. So this is the next day on a Friday. That was me going to work. I didn't show much. Yeah, don't worry as to why I'm not wearing official clothes because it's a Friday. And I decided to grab myself a drink. I love Go Fruit. It has my heart, and especially the apple one. So I just went, grabbed that, but I decided to go with the multi-fruit. Today, I'm sorry everything is everywhere, but we're going to a birthday party at a B&B. So after work, we went there, grabbed a few things to cook, headed to the B&B. That's it. It's in Syokimau. Yeah, it looks so nice. I just felt like I want to move out immediately. It looked really nice. I loved how it was furnished, the art on the walls. It looks very nice, and then the views were also nice. I loved everything about the B&B. No complaints at all.
Hey guys, so we've come for a birthday party in Syokimau at a B&B. I hope you guys can hear me. Anyway, so we're here. It's about to be lit. We're just gonna have a good weekend. Yeah, I'm just from work, so I'm so tired and so hungry. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you around. If you would like to book this B&B, I'm going to leave the link down below. Yeah, so one time for the birthday person. It's really nice. It's really nice. So this B&B, we found it on Airbnb app. Yeah, and the host is very nice so far. I'm going to give a review after we leave here. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to cook, and then let the party begin. So yeah.
So this was the living room, and then the dining table, then the kitchen, the bedrooms. It was a 4 bedroom, 5 beds, which was very convenient for us because we were around 8 people. Yeah, obviously I booked the best bedroom. This was mine. It was so nice, so comfortable. That's me looking cute or whatever.
Happy birthday! Hi loves, what's up? Hi guys, it's been a hot minute. Let me just place you here. So it's been a hot minute since I've created content, and I want to get back to the groove. So here I am. I'm trying to close off a vlog. I vlogged like 2 weeks ago, and it's too short. It's like 4 minutes, and I need something to close it so that it's like a bit long.
the lighting keeps going off. I was trying to make my tripod, like fix it. Let me tell you, this thing is dusty. Goes to show I've not created content like over in a minute. By a minute I mean like 1 year. Like, this thing is dusty as hell. But I'm gonna just try to fix it. And yeah, catch up with you guys. I want to clean my room because it's dirty, it's messy. I'm even ashamed to show you all, but I'm just gonna show you because you know what, sometimes life just happens, you know, it just happens. And I feel like our space is a reflection of our mind, and lately I've been feeling very confused and very cluttered, and that is reflecting majorly highly in how my room looks. Like, I'm not even proud. I don't even want to sleep here because it looks very bad. And also, I don't know. I'm saying I'm just rambling. It's been a minute since I've vlogged, so obviously, yeah. So let me try to fix this. I think it's okay. But now the thing is, the thing that holds the phone, I can't see it, and through this mess I definitely cannot see it right now. So, and then I just found out that my ring light broke. I'm just having a crisis. Like, what's going on? Like, it broke over here, so like I'm supposed to screw this here, but this is broken. This is broken, but it's working. But now the thing is, how am I supposed to use it when it's like this without the tripod? Anyway, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Let me just stop rambling, try and look for the phone holder so that I can start cleaning. Don't want to ramble too much. We're already at 3 minutes. Disclaimer: if you hear cows, if you hear chicken, if you hear dogs, donkeys, if you hear any domestic animals, don't come for me. I mean, there is nothing I can do, so bear with me, bear with the situation. At least I'm not one of those vloggers who complain about construction, but I do complain about domestic animals. Yes. So let me just show you what we are working with. Please don't judge, please. And I don't have the prettiest of rooms, but let me just show you the mess so that I can start cleaning, and so that I can look for this thingy so that I can put you guys up. Yeah, this is my fit for church. I was at church today and I look so cute. Church girl, I tell you. You can already see the mess. You know, I'm actually even wondering why I'm showing you all this. But anyway, so this is what is happening. All those are clean clothes. It's just that unatoka bed, unarusha pale. That's what's happening. So those are clean clothes. I have more that I'm supposed to bring in. This is where I put my clothes, over here, and I don't know what's going on here. I do not know. Yeah, it's just a mess. So let me get to cleaning because I can already feel the frustration, and I might end up not doing anything because it's overwhelming. So let me just start off. I think I'm just gonna start by making my bed. So a little side note, a little chit chat with you guys. I'm actually very proud of myself for vlogging in my room, because that's the one thing I never thought I'd do, maybe until I moved out, because I feel like I don't have the prettiest of rooms. You know how you see those vloggers with the white walls, aesthetics, the nice beds? You get what I mean? You get it? So I feel like I can't create in my room since I won't like the background or how the video will turn out, which has actually made me hold back on creating content, because I've told myself that if I move out to an aesthetic house, get these aesthetic things, get this nice font, that is going to be more consistent, which is just a lie I've told myself. And I believe that I can improve from where I am, and I can see the growth right now. And yeah, so I've decided to not hold back anymore and not care about what people will think. We live in our minds so much, and I'm tired of doing that. So yeah, cheers to me, and I'm very proud of you, girl. Guys, so I'm basically pretty much done. I'm binging on Ivan Jerry. Yeah, so apologies. So these are my jeans, work pants, gym things, yeah, and some coats, some long sleeved tops, blouses for work, pajamas, dresses and skirts, my baggy tees for home. Like, there's so many, homebody for sure. Some cute tops to wear out, crop tops. Want to arrange that and be done because I'm really tired. Hey loves, I'm done cleaning and I'm a bit tired. It's 5:07 right now. I wanted to do my skincare since, you know, once you have a clean room, clean sheets, all you feel like doing is just having a bath and doing some skincare. But I remembered I had dishes to do and I live in my mother's house, so if she finds them not done, it's gonna be trouble for me. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the final thing. Since I haven't found that mounting thing, the mounting thing for the phone, so I don't know if I'm going to show you me doing the skincare. It's nothing much. I'm just gonna wash my face and use a face mask. I've never really had a skincare routine. I'm planning to though, once I recover my pockets. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you the face wash I'm going to use and the mask. So this is what I use. It's even almost over. So it's the Garnier Even Matte Pure Lemon Essence for all skin types. I love this so much, by the way. I'm gonna use this face mask. It's written Kobe Korean Beauty Mascarilla Facial. It's really nice. I've used it before. I bought it at Star Mall, 3rd floor, either B11 or C11 if I remember. I'm gonna put it down below. They go for 100, imagine, just 100 pop. So you can get yourself one if you want to. Very hydrating. I love them so much. So I'm just gonna show you the room and then we end this vlog. So thank you guys very much for watching until the end. If you've reached this point, thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. I love you. See you next time. Bye.